Hey everyone, we're going to reach 1,000,000 subscribers soon, so hit on the subscribe button so we can reach there faster. Sandwiches are something that I personally love and enjoy, and I always like to experiment and try new sandwiches. Today I'm going to show you guys a very tasty sandwich, which is grilled chicken sandwich. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. I'm going to first season the chicken breast. For this, take half teaspoon of salt. Now you can add the salt and pepper according to your taste. Add freshly crushed pepper. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now, if you have cayenne pepper, you can also use that. I have about 6 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. The juice of 1 lemon. 2 teaspoons of oil. You can either use olive oil or regular cooking oil. Freshly chopped coriander leaves. If you have cilantro, you can use that as well instead of coriander. So now that we've added all the ingredients for seasoning, just mix it all in. Mix the chicken pieces well with the seasoning, make sure it's all coated nicely. Now let this sit for about 30 minutes before we start grilling them. Take a grill pan, I'm just going to dab a little oil. It's been about 30 minutes. Next I'm going to grill the chicken pieces. If you don't have a grill pan, you can use a tawa or a regular pan. Grill the chicken for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side. Make sure to maintain the flame on medium throughout. Before flipping the chicken pieces, just brush a little oil on top. Flip the pieces to the other side. Cook the chicken breasts for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side. Make sure to maintain the flame on medium-low throughout. So you can see it's got a beautiful char on both sides and it's cooked beautifully. Turn off the stove. Keep the chicken pieces aside. Rest the chicken pieces for a few minutes before slicing them. The chicken pieces are resting for a few minutes, about 2 to 3 minutes will do. Now I'm just going to slice it. So if you can see, the chicken breast is cooked beautifully. It's perfect and it's very soft and moist and tender. You don't want it too thick, just cut it into thin slices like this. Next I'm going to make a spicy mayo for the sandwich. For this I've taken 2 large tablespoons of mayonnaise. Next, add half teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 teaspoons red chili sauce, a pinch of salt. Mix everything together. So after mixing, if you feel you'd like it a little more spicy, you can add a little more chili sauce to get the right flavor. The spicy mayo is ready. Keep it aside. For the sandwich, I've taken 2 slices of wheat bread. Now I'm going to assemble the sandwich. First, I'm going to spread the spicy mayo on both the slices. So this is bakery bread which has been cut into 1 inch thickness. You can cut it thinner if you wish. I have some fresh lettuce. Next, place some tomato slices. Place the onion rings. So now I'm going to place the grilled chicken slices. So I'm just going to place a slice of cheese. This is optional. Here's a sandwich and I'm just going to grill this. Now if you'd like to eat it as is, you can do that. But I like it a little warm, so I'm just going to grill the sandwich. To grill the sandwich, first I'm going to grease the grill pan with a little butter. Toast the sandwich on both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So before you flip the sandwich over, make sure you just spread a little butter on top. Sandwich is done, serve it hot. Here is this absolutely delicious grilled chicken sandwich that I can't wait to eat. So there you go, here is this absolutely delicious grilled chicken sandwich, which is a meal by itself and it also makes for a great lunchbox recipe. So do try these sandwiches and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frames.